Hey Portainer and Docker fans, meet your one-click container playground with 200 plus Docker apps. Turn your computer or Proxmox server into your personal cloud and access it anywhere. Keep your data 100% private, no tracking, full encryption and total control. Now what are we talking? It's the new guy in the block. It's called HomeDock OS. We will be installing that in our Proxmox server. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. Please have a look down below for the link. Enough said, let's get our hands dirty. Well, here's our Proxmox server. We need to create an LXC container. Let's call this HomeDock OS. We will give it an IP address ending in 71. Now give it a suitable password. We will use an Ubuntu template for this. 2204 is fine. I'm going to give this 200 gigs storage. Allocate enough storage to this container. We will allocate 2 cores to this and 16 gigs. And make the swap size also 16 gigs. You need to make the IP address followed by /24 and then also provide the gateway 10. And DNS settings 8.8.8.8 1.1.1.1. And we now confirm. And here's our server. Let's start it. And open the terminal, in our case the console. The first thing we need to do is an update and an upgrade. apt-y. Now we want to install curl, wget, and our favorite editor, Nano. Wait for the app to finish installing. Now let's open the blog and look at the instructions. We now need to run this curl command and respond with a Y. This is now going to do the complete installation, includes Git and includes Docker. We will pause the video until this is complete. It's installing Docker. It's now installing Docker Compose. And eventually it installs, and this is what you get. And in our blog, the user ID is user and the password is PASSWD. So let's open this in the browser. So let's type user and the password and sign in. And the first thing we'll do is go into the App Store. This is a very rich App Store with some interesting apps. I see Alarma is there, SQL Workbench is there, Vault Warden is there. Let's install Vault Warden. I'm sure you have realized that this is a lot easier than running Docker in Proxmox and trying manually to install apps using Docker Compose files, and then you have the risk that they may not work. And it says it's installed. And there's Vault Warden. In our blog, we have provided the following links. This is the home page. Here is the installation page. We have chosen to install this in Linux. You can install it in Mac OS as well as in Windows. And then they provide a link to the documentation. And then here is the Ubuntu documentation. You may have noticed that we ran this curl command after we did the app update and upgrade. We ran this curl command, and then it took a long time to install, but once it installed, they provided us with the credentials. The user ID is user and the password is passwd. Now this was using 2204. This was the instruction to use Ubuntu 2204. If you want to use a later version, you need to follow these instructions. But as you could see, it was quite easy to do. And then having done that, you have a very rich app store here with over 200 applications you can install. There's Plex, there's Jellyfin, there's Code Server, DuckDNS is there. As you can see, this is a very rich app, and what's nice, because you're accessing this from the browser, you can open it in a tablet, you can open it in your iPad, you can open it in your iPhone. So you can run these apps and use your PC as a server, or in our case, we are using our LXC container as the server. We trust you found this interesting. Please give us a like and please subscribe to our channel, as we haven't reached our target yet. And we have a tradition in this channel. We greet you in 6 languages. Thank you, dude. Cheers. Baie dankie, tot ziens. Grazie ami, ciao. Jesus in aderpe. Indaka barkare. Domo arigato tomodachi. Sayonara.